Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer. Excuse me, y'all. And I am the owner and operator of LaJoy Chuck Creation Designs. Today, I'm just coming to you all to show you how to make a earring. This is going to have more like it's going to be like a coral spiral earring, something really quick and easy that you can make and create when you're going out. And you can do this in any colors, any color wire that you have. Of course, y'all know I gravitate to aluminum wire, but if you don't have aluminum wire, whatever wire you have, you can use, okay? So I'm using 12 gauge aluminum wire, and I'm using about 33 inches of my wire, okay? You're going to need some round nose pliers, some wire cutters. You're going to need a dowel. You can find this dowel at any craft store. You can get this, you can even find this at the Dollar Tree, okay? You're going to need a fish hook and a ruler. So let's go ahead and get right on into this. The very first thing that we're going to do is we are going to measure our wire. We're going to come down on our ruler. We're going to come down till about 8 inches, okay? Once we get to 8 inches, we're going to take our dowel and we're going to start wrapping it right there. So we're going to start wrapping it. We're going to start making our coils, okay? So you just want to start wrapping it around like this. And you want to try to make sure that your coils are pretty close together. Continuing to come down, okay? All right, so once I come down, now I'm gonna take this off because I don't want this to be really, really hard for me to get off of here. So now I'm gonna take and come down and insert this right here on my wire. And then I'm gonna continue to wrap around just like this. Okay. And you're going to leave some wire at the end, a little bit of wire up at the end, and then you're just gonna take this off. Okay, so I'm gonna measure to let you know how much wire you're gonna be leaving. Now remember, you have 8 inches over here, and over on this side, I think it's about 2 inches. Yeah, it's about 2 inches, okay? So you got 2 inches. Now what we're gonna do next is we're going to pull this apart just like this. All right, now pull it apart. Okay, so this is pretty much what your earring is going to be looking like. And of course, you're going to have to play with it for a little bit, just like this. So that's what you're going to have, okay? And I'm going to pull it apart a little bit more. Okay. You kind of sort of want your coils to kind of like be the same. All right, so then I'm going to start bending it like this. And if you want these earrings to be larger, you can make them larger. It's completely up to you. Okay, and this is pretty much what you are going to have. That is going to be your shape. Now I'm going to pinch these up like this, and I'm going to take and wrap the shorter piece around the longer piece. So I'm going to take and pinch this piece up like this, bring these together, and actually start wrapping this, the shorter piece, around the longer piece, just like this. This is what it's going to look like. Don't worry about it. You can straighten it out. okay? And then you're going to just take and wrap it around a couple more times. Now, you're going to leave this piece in the back, and this piece is going to come down in the front. So you're going to pinch this piece over like that. So this piece is going to come down in the front, and this shorter piece is going to be in the back. So you're going to take your pliers and squeeze this in just like this. Y'all know I always do this to give my wire some indentation. Okay, and then I'm going to come to the tip of my finger, of my index finger, and I'm going to snip off a little bit of this, just like that. And then I'm going to take my round nose pliers and make a loop at the top, just like this. And this is pretty much what you are going to have. And I'm going to squeeze it and give it some indentation. Okay, I'm going to bring this piece of wire over, and I'm going to make some spirals up at the top. Okay, just like this. Now, for those of you who have nylon pliers, you can use your nylon pliers to do this. Of course, you all know my story concerning nylon pliers. I do not use them. I use the tip of my fingers, and you just want to roll it down just like this. And this is going to go in the center of your earring, okay? And then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your fish hook, you're going to open it up, and you're going to slide that right on. Now, if you don't want to use fish hooks, you can use lever backs or what other kind of hooks that you have that you want to use for your earring, okay? And this is our earring. And this is quick and simple. And as you can see, it only took me about 7 minutes to make and create this earring. Okay. And like I said, if you want bigger coils, you can make this bigger, but you would have to add more wire to it. So thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. And for those of you who are new and this is your very first time and you like what I do here on this channel, please subscribe by hitting the all bell button on the side so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. I want to thank all of my supporters, my super supporters. And until the next one, y'all have a wonderful and awesome weekend. Peace and blessings, my beloved kings and queens. See ya.